Yes, yes, yes. Back at it, back at it. Another Tuesday, another vibes, another energy. Right? Solid Rock family, we're back at it with your host on the Central Coast, Samuel Gardner. Today, we're going to tune into some good vibes as usual. You know, we keep it positive around here. And welcome again to the Solid Foundation, where we'll be reviewing and reacting to some solid foundational reggae music, right? Studio and all of that. Right, and speaking of foundation, today we're going to check out a group entitled The Uniques. Yeah, and the tune that we're going to check out is called My Conversation. Seeing very popular tune, very vibey, and is one of my favorite rhythms, from that time. The group, The Uniques, was originally formed with Roy Shirley, the great Slim Smith, and a one by the name of Franklin White. That was the original. Those were the original members of the group, the Uniques, right? So we're gonna get into it, and we just kick it off like a ball as usual. See, the Uniques with My Conversation. The great Slim Smith.
Conversation, 'cause it gives me sweet inspiration. And to tell you I never felt this way before. I know there is some way today. Love your brothers, my friend. Love your sister. Love your brothers. Ooh, yeah.
Love your sister.
And to tell you I must admit you've got me thinking. You've got me thinking. There were times I thought that I was sinking. I was sinking. But I'll always want to be in that position where I can see more clearly, where I can see more clearly.
To me, the piano
Now I'm
is what made this rhythm.
That you got me thinking, you got me thinking. There were times I thought that I was sinking, I was sinking. But I'll always
Want to be
in that position
where
I can see more
clearly.
Yeah, clearly. Love your brothers, my friend. Love your sisters. Love your brothers and your sisters. Ooh, yeah. Love your sisters.
Yes, that was the Uniques with a tune called My Conversation, Roy Shirley. And like I said, the great, never the late, Slim Smith and Franklin White. Those were the original members of the Uniques. Later on, artists such as Jimmy Riley, Taurus Riley father, and Al Campbell and Cornell Campbell later on down in the line, they, you know, because the group had fizzled out after a while, especially I would believe after Slim Smith had passed away, and it came back into it got kicked back into gear when Jimmy Riley and so forth members started, and Al Campbell came back and kicked it back into gear. That tune, actually, My Conversation, was also produced and pushed by the great Bunny Lee and the Striker. Yeah, rest in peace, Bunny Lee. Man, we lost a lot of legends, man. We lost a lot of legends, but the music and the work is still here. And yeah, this tune is a groovy little tune, and I love the rhythm, the bass. If you actually listen to the rhythm, you know, it's mostly keyboard, you know, the piano, ba-ba-ding, ba-ba-ding, ba-ba-ding. You know, that really make up the rhythm, you know, that the groove of the rhythm and the bass line, you know. And man, Slim Smith voice, these are another artists that we're gonna tune into on the Solid Foundation and get deeper into some of his music, man, because Slim Smith was the Don when it came to vocals back in those times. So yeah, man, the Uniques, and also the Uniques also turned into the group called the Techniques. Two members out of the Uniques, I think it was Jimmy Riley and another one, don't remember right now, but yeah, the two of those artists formed the Techniques, and that's another group too we're gonna check out. But yes, that was the Uniques with My Conversation. Nice vibes, and I think the rhythm was redone again and turned, another producer named it the Yamaha Skank rhythm, right, and had various singers and so forth, you know, do some rendition on it, right? But yes, Uniques, and hope you like this one, you know. This one is a vibe. Nice little Sunday evening tune too, you know. But it's Tuesday. But a nice little Sunday evening tune, right? Vibesy, cozy. My Conversation. Solid rock. Boom.